ProtectX is a car alarm add-on that uses smart sensors to detect impacts to the car's body or windows, and a tilt sensor that triggers the alarm if the car is lifted with jacks. It's a simple install. Remove 3 screws, take off the steering cover, unplug 2 connectors, plug in 4 connectors, then reinstall the 3 screws. After that, arm the system and let it calibrate. I installed ProtectX in my vehicles to add an extra layer of anti-theft protection and to get an audible horn alert. The device adds both a shock sensor and a tilt sensor to the existing alarm system using an easy plug-and-play harness. My hope is that the shock sensor will help deter catalytic converter theft. If someone starts cutting, the alarm should activate. The same goes for window breakage. While the sensor won't detect anything before the glass actually breaks, it should trigger the alarm immediately afterward and hopefully scare off the thief. I'm also counting on the tilt sensor to help protect my wheels. If someone tries to jack up the car, the tilt sensor and possibly the shock sensor should trigger the alarm and deter them. Another nice feature is the ability to roll the windows up or down using the factory remote. If you unlock the car, wait 5 to 8 seconds, then press unlock again. The windows will roll down in sequence, but not all at once. They only lower about 3 inches per press. To roll the windows back up, just hold the unlock button for about 3 seconds. You do need to be within range of the car, but it's a convenient way to vent the cabin without starting the car or getting into a hot interior. Today we're going to install the ProtectX plug-in security device to the 2026 Grand Highlander Max Platinum. Comes with 3M adhesive tape. We got the harness. We have 3 screws that we need to remove from here. One down here. And we need to start the car to move the steering wheel left to right. Screw here. We shut it off. Alright, I'm gonna remove this guy here. The cover. Should be pretty easy. Alright, we had removed the cover for the bottom part of the steering column. There's three screws. 1, 2, and 3. Put the 3M tape on here. You can go ahead and install, let's see, white, 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 white. Okay, black to black. Black to black. Don't touch that. That's the airbag, I think. Alright, we have these installed. Let's see. We're going to install this 3M tape. Install it on here, this metal piece, and what we're going to do is we're going to zip tie it in place. Now that we have that, we're going to get this tie that came with the original harness, and we're going to try to keep it all together somehow, neatly, somehow. Okay, and then we're gonna make sure it's nice and snug. Then we reverse the process. One screw. Two screws, the right side. Party to the steering wheel and secure the last of the 3 screws. Now we've installed the device. Just to arm it and wait about 9 minutes. So that's what